Imagine a world where your phone, your fridge, and even your car are powered by the fiery rage of a volcano. Sounds insane, right? But wait, what if it's actually possible? Because right now beneath your feet, there's an untapped powerhouse just waiting to explode. Generate electricity. So could we really turn these fire-breathing mountains into giant power plants? Or would it be the worst idea since someone invented pineapple on pizza? Let's find out. The Earth's fiery potential. Did you know there are over 1,500 active volcanoes around the world? And no, they're not just there to make disaster movies more interesting. These volcanic regions sit on geothermal hotspots where the Earth's heat naturally escapes. Countries like Iceland are already harnessing this energy and using it to power homes. Yep, Icelanders are literally running their toasters on volcanic heat. But if Iceland can do it, why aren't we building massive volcano-powered cities already? Well, there's a small problem, actually a few, but we'll get to that in a minute. How would we actually do it? Okay, let's say we decide to go full mad scientist mode and tap into a volcano's energy. How would that work? Well, the idea is to drill into geothermal reservoirs near volcanoes, where superheated water and steam build up. This steam could then be used to spin turbines and generate electricity. Sounds easy, right? Just poke a hole in the earth and let the steam do the work. Except, drilling into a volcano is kind of like poking a sleeping dragon. You might wake it up, and trust me, you don't want that. Because instead of free electricity, you might get a lava flood as a bonus feature. And if that wasn't enough, there's another problem. But before we get into that, have you ever wondered which country has the most volcanoes? Hint, it's not Iceland. The global potential. If you guessed Indonesia, congratulations. You win absolutely nothing except knowledge. Indonesia, along with countries like the Philippines, Japan, and the US, sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire, one of the most volcanically active regions on the planet. This means they have huge potential for geothermal energy, and yet most of these places still rely heavily on coal and gas. Why? Well, it turns out drilling near a volcano is super expensive, and let's be honest, no one wants to be the person who accidentally causes an eruption while trying to install a power plant. The risky side of volcanic energy. Imagine this. You build a fancy new geothermal power plant right next to a volcano. Everything's going great. You're producing clean energy, the planet is thanking you, and then boom, the volcano erupts. Suddenly, your billion-dollar power plant is now a very expensive pile of ash. And that's not even the worst part. Volcanoes don't just spew lava, they release toxic gases like sulfur dioxide, which isn't exactly great for breathing. So while geothermal energy sounds cool, or rather hot, it comes with some explosive risks. But does that mean we should abandon the idea completely? Well, not so fast, because the future of volcanic energy might be closer than we think. The future of volcanic power scientists are working on enhanced geothermal systems where we can harness volcanic heat without having to drill directly into a volcano. New drilling techniques and better technology could make it safer and more efficient. So who knows? Maybe in the future, your phone charger will be powered by a volcano. Let's hope it doesn't overheat. What do you think? Should we take the risk and tap into this fiery energy source? Or is it better to leave volcanoes alone before they get angry? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because the next video might just blow your mind. Hopefully, not like a volcano,